Hello friends, it's a shame to transplant Adenium in middle of a heavy bloom, but it broke a concrete pot. I try to keep it like that, water it with the pot being cracked, but the leaves getting yellow, so I thought maybe it's drying too fast because of a crack, but once I took the growing medium away, I could see that the roots were so closely packed that it often happens when the roots are very closely packed. It's acting as if it'll be thirsty even when it isn't. And then if I overwater it, the roots can start rotting, especially in winter when it's colder. So it needs badly a bigger pot. So I was looking for a suitable pot, and I have this nice concrete pot that's bigger than the previous, sitting around waiting for tenant. But then I thought, nah, I don't want it to end up like the previous, a total ruin in a few years. I'm gonna put it in this plastic pot. In few years I wouldn't mind if the roots would look something like this. When I was transplanting this one, I put pieces of styrofoam in between the roots, and once I'm gonna be transplanting again, the styrofoam will go out. What it does is pushes the roots aside, so there is space for the thin roots in between to feed the plant, space for the thick roots to thicken more to create the nice bottom. And if I do that with the rocks or broken pieces of concrete or old bricks, piece of bricks or something, it'll damage the roots, I'm afraid, because it's hard. But this thing a little bit bends, it has some elasticity, so it's gentler. The other day I was making a kind of a nursery pot for a bunch of small plants out of a styrofoam grape tray, grape container, and so I have this styrofoam that I cut out. You'll see why in some other video. So this is what I'll break to pieces to insert in between the roots to make them spread. It's not very pretty right now, but it works. It helps the roots to access the whole soil. Alright, time to water. Take a rest now, Adenium. You had a hard day. So many flowers fell off during transplanting. Goodbye, Adenium.